Hello everyone, I am back with the second video in my Follow Me as I organize my craft room. I have not made it too far. It's not going as quickly as I had hoped. I have made a lot of progress and I have been listing many destash lots, but since I filmed the intro to the series, I have not really had much time to sort through anything. I did get a chance to sort through some rubber stamps, which I uploaded a video for that destash. But the other thing, I have went through my lace and doilies and those type of things. I went through that about 4 different times, and I pared it down each time and offered destash lots. So I had a ton of lace and trims and things like that. And let me just show you what I pared it down to. So here's what I have, and here's how I have organized it. I actually put it right behind the stool that I sit in when I am working on projects, and it just makes it very easy for me because I do use a lot of lace. So I pared it down and I was able to just save 2 of these bins. And you can see how I have it stored in here on these. I don't know what these things are called, but I have it stored in there. And then I have 3 of these spools. I guess they're called spools right here. So that is what I've pared my lace down to. I am very proud that I was able to do that. It was very difficult for me to get rid of some of the laces because some of them were antique and I had them for years and years, and I just had to let them go. I'm happy that I did because I know they're getting used. A lot of very nice ladies purchased them, and I'm sure that they are going to get used, so that makes me happy. But that is kind of what I've done so far, and hopefully I will be able to start working on another area. I would like to start working on some way to store my ribbon. Let me show you what I have. I have them on the shelf right here, some of the bigger rolls, and then I have some over here on this shelf. As you can see, I do use a ton of ribbon for the altered baby books and journals that I make. And then I have some here. My husband made this shelf for me. I quickly outgrew it. And then I have more in this clear container right here. So I need to figure out something with that. That's probably the next thing that I will tackle, and hopefully I will be able to get to that maybe in the next week or 2, I'm hoping. So I will update you on that. If anyone has any great ideas on how I can store my ribbons, I would love to hear that. And thank you so much for watching.